We're here to network with a lot of our clients and prospects, meet a lot of the people that we speak to online, that we connect with via LinkedIn, finally get to meet them in person and connect with them, and also to listen to some really great talks. I know that we always have a really good agenda here of amazing and interesting topics to cover and to discuss. So looking forward to some of those as well.
The presentations are very focused, very relevant to the problems that we are all looking at today. And so, we can contribute to those conversations. We have our own people that contribute to those as well. And we can look at those themes and explore them in conversations that we have with the people that are attending.
Today, I'm so happy. I'm going to give a presentation later on hybrid trials and decentralized clinical trials. We also have a booth here, and that is an amazing opportunity for us to interact with clients, giving demos and have deep conversations about the coming needs for the sponsors and the biotech and the CRO organizations.
So I'm here because I really love interacting with industry peers and learning new things about what people are up to. And I'm also here to talk about diversity in research, which is something I deeply care about. So it's so great that we're out of COVID and we're able to interact and see people in 3D. Trying to see who's really pushing the boundaries in operational excellence and innovation in digital and technology usage into making trials better and helping to bring treatments faster to patients. So I just want to learn, I want to see what people are up to, and I'm happy to share what I'm up to as well.
Yeah, so today I presented on kind of industry trends we've been seeing in the rare disease space, and I still think decentralized clinical trials is coming up over and over again, and how we operationalize that successfully and do a good job the first time around. So it's still, even though DCTs I feel have been around for a while, is still front of mind for everyone working in rare disease or non-rare disease.
I think the DCT discussions that has been held is my key takeaway so far. There is an exciting day tomorrow as well. But I think that is should say the burning topic at the moment, and it's seen also if you look at the exhibition that it's a big focus on how could we reach more patients, how could we make our trials more equal for everybody to participate in.
So we had a very interesting talk with Rita at AstraZeneca today. Earlier, we spent 1 hour discussing how clinical supply department can influence trial design. And to me, it's really great to see that the industry is changing. It's moving in the right direction with more control, more collaboration. And basically, everyone has a single goal. It's basically to reduce waste, to be more sustainable, to reduce the workload on the team. So it's great to see that the industry is moving.
What's really enjoyable is seeing the customers' reactions to those sessions and then discussing that further. So there was a great ePro and eCOA session this morning, and that's raised a load of questions around sensors and wearables and how they might influence the way the reported outcomes come in those software solutions. So it was really interesting to kind of expand and have those conversations. And I've had 5 or 6 today. I know my colleagues have as well. So it's very exciting.
I'm here because it's a great event. There's a lot of interesting speakers here. It has a regulatory aspect, and there's also a nice opportunity to meet a lot of people in the industry and old colleagues as well.
Well, I'm here because obviously clinical trials are on our mind right now. So it's important for us to find out more about where we are going to go in the future with our future clinical trials, and also regarding supply for the current clinical trial. It's always an opportunity to learn.
A great turnout. I think we're very surprised to see the number of attendees just from the sponsor side, the CRO side, of course, number of specialized vendors that are here supporting us as well. So it's been a great first day, and we're looking forward to the rest of today and tomorrow.
So they're really good opportunities to connect at a regional level. So across Europe, there are a lot of different events in different areas and different, regional areas of the continent, which is really good to define what's important in each different area, connect with the locals of that area. But then also we have the opportunity to go to, events like OCT Europe, which covers pretty much the entire of the European space. So it's really the best of both worlds, I find.
We are very happy to be here in the outsourcing clinical trials, especially catering for the clinical trials, because they are localized, and that is what we want. Some of the other events or conferences are global, and it's very difficult to attract the local companies. And the OCT series, you are all over the place, which makes it very, very, very attractive. We will meet clients locally, whether they are in Southern California or in the Nordics or in the UK or in wherever you have your shows. You have them all over the place, right?
You guys have such a great history, and the audiences that you cover is so nice, from regulators to CROs, providers, sponsors, patients. I really love that. I think that is the best mix, so you get a 360 view. And you guys are super friendly, so it's nice. It's such a good environment. That's why I think this is one of the good ones to go to.
Well, we attend quite a number of events, very specific events that have a high level of the right kind of people. When I say the right kind of people, it's people that are looking to solve problems, people that are looking to lower costs, use resources more effectively, and find solutions that help them accomplish what they need to do.
So I think OCT is a good way to have these local meetings where you actually meet the companies that are present in the region, and also the focus on, as it says, outsourcing and so forth. I think that is the key.
Well, we've been at many arena events, OCT and CTS, and it's always good to see our partners, our sponsors. It's always good relationships, good conversation as well. So, yeah, very happy to be here.
OCT, we have many of our customers, existing customers and new customers coming in to see us. I have to say it's legacy with OCT. It's always been a great venue across all the organisations. You know, it's all of us have worked for different organisations, and it's been great for Medidata, and it's been great for us over time. So it's one of those trusted events where you know you're going to get good quality vendors on display, but equally, you know, lovely customers turning up to have good discussions with us.
I think it's nice that it's in Copenhagen. I enjoy meeting a lot of people that I know. I also think it's super convenient when you are a Dane, of course, but it also has this international format so that you don't get too local. You get to learn also from a lot of the great suppliers that are out there and get to know them. So when you do your outsourced trials, you quickly get a lot of contacts here.